Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today we will learn how to make a backup of device driver. When we install a Windows XP, we have to install device driver from CD. If we don't have any CD, definitely we will go for second option, which is internet. We can download any driver from internet. Sometimes it would be very frustrated to download from internet. The easiest way to make a backup of device driver. How can we make a backup of device driver? We can use driver max software. We can download free from internet. Just go open the Internet Explorer and type driver max. You can download from internet. Here is a link you can download from here. Work on Windows 7, Windows Vista and Windows XP. I have downloaded this software. Just double click here and click next. Agreement where you want to install this driver. Create a desktop icon, yes. It will take a time. You have to wait. You can make a backup of device driver from by using this software. Finish. Just close this window. Here is the software. Here is the option backup drivers. Just click here. Which driver you want to make a backup? You can choose audio drivers, LAN card drivers and graphic card drivers. Any driver you want to just click backup. Backup all drivers, backup selected drivers, backup selected driver to a specified folder. Just click here and you can make a folder and type the name of this folder. Type the name, backup and save it in this folder. It will take time. You can keep this driver to any computer and USB. After installing the window, you can install this system driver from this backup. Backup has been created. Hope this tip will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.